Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You need to start with core prerequisites and then take immediate action. First, update or install your audio interface driver and confirm core audio recognizes the device. This reduces driver-induced latency. Next, set Logic's I/O buffer to 128 or 64 samples as a practical starting point and quit any CPU-hungry background apps. Finally, decide monitoring path. Use direct hardware monitoring on the interface where possible, because it bypasses DAW latency and keeps your tracking tight. Once done with basic setup, focus on buffer management and plugin strategy to shrink latency. Reduce buffer size while tracking, then raise it for mixing. Remember 3264 for live feel, 256 1024 for CPU headroom. Next, bypass, freeze, or print tracks with heavy plugins that add latency, especially linear phase processors and convolution reverbs. Also audit your routing. Consolidate similar effects onto buses, minimize sends, and collapse duplicated instrument instances so finish by engaging low latency mode while recording and set its limit to exclude plugins that create delay. Make use of Logic's delay compensation view to spot the worst offenders. You can also use a test oscillator or a click track to measure round-trip latency and verify improvements. If you still hear glitches or mismatched timing, update Mac OS and drivers, reset Logic preferences, and finally, reach out to support or the plugin maker with specific plugin names and measured delay numbers so they can help resolve remaining issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.